I know many chiropractors sort of struggle. They love adjusting. They want to adjust. They may not want to give it up. How do you recommend that there's a way to sort of have the best of both worlds? And, could you give any chiropractors sort of some insight to sort of the business model, the recurring revenue model that does come along with making appropriate recommendations for appropriate supplements at the right time? Again, nobody's talking about selling something people don't need. We're talking about serving people based on their needs. What do you think chiropractors need to know or should know that might make their practices better, more profitable, and more importantly, serve their people at a higher level?
Number one, as a chiropractor, you want to ask yourself what you really love and what you're really passionate about, because I think that's the first ingredient. If you are trying to put products in front of people that you don't believe in, or that really aren't the right fit, they're going to see through that, and you're probably going to chase more people off than you help. So passion has to come first, and then once you've dialed that in and you feel really strongly, business model around your practice, depending on what you want. Like, I could have retired my practice years ago. I'm not in practice per se because I need the income. I'm in practice today because I like to help people, and God gave me a gift. And so a one-on-one setting for me is using that gift. But around the business aspect, if you're trying, like, maybe you're at a point in your career where you want to scale back quantitatively how many patients you have to see, then you have to really think about how you can position your passion in an online forum where you're educating and you're in front of people consistently, not once, not twice. Sometimes it's 25 views that they have to have in order to buy that product, or in order to make that sale, or in order for them to actually start to begin to like and trust you. So it's about consistency and showing up. And what we have found in our model with Gluten-Free Society, which is my foundation for educating patients about gluten, is the more we give, the more we give back, right? And I have, at this point, I have 15 employees. I have I have writers, I have graphic artists, I have videographers. I've got an entire team of content folks that help me generate consistently content to put in front of people, and that didn't start that way. So, like, if you're new, we didn't start with 15 employees. We started with me in a back of a closet, typing away on a keyboard, trying to figure out the internet thing. But because I was passionate about it, there was nothing that was going to stop me. So today we have an entire line of over 114 SKUs of supplement products that we sell to help people going and navigating the gluten journey. Many of which are so it's two ways. So there's one way is that you have new people that come in and buy product, they like the product, and they just repeat buy it, right? And so that's passive revenue from my perspective, because I have a team that deals with it all. But then there's also the recurring revenue models of how things can be set up, which is, one of the things we also offer, and we just modeled Amazon, is they offer, discounts when you subscribe. So it's a subscribe and save platform as well, where people can, they can tap into products they love. If they like them a lot, they can get them on a monthly recurring basis, and they save a little bit of money. And then, we have now subscriber base to have guaranteed flow of revenue. And then we just reinvest the revenue back into the company. So when I started early, it was small amounts of revenue, but I would just take that and reinvest it and keep reinvesting it enough. It was not really all that profitable the first year, but once we had a team in place that took a lot of the work off my hands, it's now pretty well-oiled machine, and it's automated, and we can deliver great content consistently over time to millions of people across the span of the world, because we have clients globally. And it's just fantastic. I'm reaching so many more people.
Hey, it's Dr. Jason. I just want to take a brief moment and invite you to schedule a demo with our team to learn more about our patient pilot automated email campaigns. They are the smartest way to reactivate the people you've seen over the years in the past. Check it out, schedule a demo. We look forward to helping you help more people and piloting your patients back into your practice.
Thank you so much for watching this video on the Smart Chiropractor. To not miss a single thing that's clinically oriented, marketing oriented, or more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel today.